Today's medical-centric topic is one of the most important, yet often overlooked, foundations of overall health: gut health. Your gut is far more than just a digestive tube that processes food. It is a complex, intelligent system that influences nearly every function in your body, from digestion and immunity to brain health, mood regulation, energy levels, metabolism, and even skin quality. In recent years, medical science has discovered that many chronic health problems, including fatigue, autoimmune disorders, obesity, anxiety, depression, allergies, and inflammatory diseases, are closely linked to poor gut health. If your gut is unhealthy, your entire body struggles. The good news is that your gut has an incredible ability to heal, reset, and rebalance itself when given the right conditions. In this video, we'll explore how to improve and reset gut health naturally using evidence-based lifestyle strategies, nutrition, and long-term habits. Section 1. Understanding gut health. What is gut health? Gut health refers to the balance and function of the gastrointestinal system, especially the community of microorganisms living inside it, known as the gut microbiome. A healthy gut means efficient digestion, proper nutrient absorption, balanced immune responses, minimal inflammation, strong gut lining, intestinal barrier, healthy communication between gut and brain. Section 2. The role of the gut microbiome. The gut microbiome, explained. The gut microbiome is a vast ecosystem made up of trillions of bacteria, viruses, fungi, other microorganisms. In fact, the human gut contains more microbial cells than human cells. These microbes are not enemies. Most of them are essential for survival. Key functions of the gut microbiome. 1. Digestion and nutrient absorption. Gut bacteria help break down fiber-complex carbohydrates, certain proteins, fats. They also produce vital nutrients like vitamin K, B vitamins, B12, B12, folate, biotin, short-chain fatty acids, SCFAs, that nourish the gut lining too. Immune system support. Over 70% of the immune system resides in the gut. A healthy microbiome trains immune cells, prevents overreactions, autoimmune responses, helps fight harmful pathogens. 3. Gut-brain connection. The gut communicates directly with the brain through the vagus nerve neurotransmitters like serotonin. Remarkably, around 90% of serotonin, the feel-good hormone, is produced in the gut. Section 3. Signs of poor gut health. Your body sends warning signals when your gut is out of balance. Common digestive symptoms: bloating and gas. Frequent bloating may indicate poor digestion, imbalanced gut bacteria, food intolerances, slow gut motility, constipation, or diarrhea. Irregular bowel movements suggest poor fiber intake, dehydration, dysbiosis, imbalanced microbiome, weak digestive enzymes, non-digestive symptoms often ignored, chronic fatigue. Poor gut health reduces nutrient absorption, leading to iron deficiency, B vitamin deficiency, low energy production, food sensitivities. An unhealthy gut lining may allow undigested food particles to enter the bloodstream, triggering food intolerances, allergies, inflammatory reactions, skin problems. Conditions like acne, eczema, rosacea often originate in the gut. Section 4. How to improve and reset gut health. 1. Follow a balanced, gut-friendly diet. Fiber-rich foods, the foundation of gut health. Dietary fiber feeds beneficial gut bacteria. Best fiber sources include fruits, apples, berries, bananas, vegetables, broccoli, carrots, leafy greens, whole grains, oats, brown rice, quinoa, legumes, lentils, chickpeas, beans. Aim for 25 to 40 grams of fiber per day. 2. Prebiotics and probiotics. Prebiotics, fuel for good bacteria. Prebiotics are fibers that nourish probiotics. Top prebiotic foods: garlic, onions, leeks, asparagus, bananas. Oats, probiotics, live beneficial bacteria. Probiotics help restore microbial balance. Natural probiotic foods: yogurt with live cultures, kefir, sauerkraut, kimchi, miso. 3. Hydration, an overlooked essential water. Aids digestion, prevents constipation, supports mucosal lining of the intestines. Drink at least 8 to 10 glasses of water daily, more if physically active. 4. Regular physical activity exercise. Improves gut motility, reduces inflammation, increases microbial diversity. Best options, walking yoga, cycling, strength training. Just 30 minutes per day can significantly improve gut health. Section 5, Stress Management and Gut Health. How stress damages the gut, chronic stress, disrupts gut bacteria, weakens gut lining, slows digestion, increases inflammation. This is why stress often causes IBS symptoms, acid reflux, appetite changes, stress-reducing practices, meditation, deep breathing, yoga, nature walks, limiting screen time. Section 6, Sleep and Gut Health. Poor sleep disrupts gut bacteria rhythms, hunger hormones, immune responses. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep, consistent sleep schedule, reduced blue light exposure at night. Section 7, Foods to avoid for gut health. 1. Processed and sugary foods. These feed harmful bacteria, increase inflammation, damage gut lining. Examples: packaged snacks, sugary drinks, fast food. 2. Artificial sweeteners. Certain artificial sweeteners may alter gut bacteria, increase glucose intolerance, limit aspartame, sucralose, saccharin. Section 8, Supplements for gut health. 1. Probiotic supplements, helpful after antibiotic use, digestive illness, chronic gut issues. Choose multi-strain probiotics with lactobacillus, bifidobacterium. 2. Digestive enzymes, support protein digestion, fat absorption, reduce bloating. Section 9, Long-term strategies for a healthy gut consistency. Is key. Gut health is built over time. Maintain balanced diet, regular meals, stable routines. Eat a diverse diet. Different bacteria thrive on different foods. The more variety, the healthier the microbiome. Mindful eating, eat slowly, chew thoroughly, avoid distraction. Conclusion: your gut, your foundation of health. Improving and resetting gut health is not about quick fixes. It's about daily habits that support your body's natural healing abilities. When your gut is healthy, digestion improves, energy increases, immunity strengthens, mood stabilizes, overall health flourishes. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like and share it with others who may benefit. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to stay updated on our latest medical and wellness content.